Hey, for this video, I'm going to show you how to trace and cut out the bottom or base for your coil and pinch forms. Okay, so you need to have prepped your slab. So if you haven't done that, go back and watch how to throw out the slab video. This slab has set up a little bit, so it's a little more stiff. So the best way to get a nice shape is to find some old containers that you have that you can use to trace. So any old food containers, or if you have some buckets handy, you'll have two different sizes to work with because you could use the bottom or the top. For this project, you guys are going to be making a planter. So I want a fairly large base. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the top of this bucket. So I'm going to place that down. I'm going to take my needle tool. If you don't have a needle tool, you could use a toothpick. I'm going to trace the bucket. My clay is a little stiff, so I'm going to not use the needle tool to cut through the clay. I'm going to come back in with my X-Acto. I'm going to make a cut at 4 different spots. And then I'm going to put the blade down and I'm going to keep it straight. You want to avoid turning the blade in or out. You really want to try to get a nice straight cut. Now I'm rotating the slab with my left hand and keeping the blade still. You can also just drag or pull your blade around the line you created with your needle tool. Now you can see this clay really has some firmness, so it is leather hard. Okay, so now we have our base shape, so we are ready to begin our coil and pinch exercise. Okay, see you soon.